The Ashoka Chakra is a depiction of the Dharma Chakra, a wheel represented with 24 spokes. It is so called because it appears on a number of edicts of Ashoka, most prominent among which is the Lion Capital of Ashoka. The most visible use of the Ashoka Chakra today is at the center of the flag of India, where it is rendered in a navy blue color on a white background, replacing the symbol of charkha of the pre-independence versions of the flag. India's highest peacetime military decoration awarded for valor, courageous action or self-sacrifice away from the battlefield is also called Ashoka Chakra. When Gautama Buddha achieved enlightenment at Bodh Gaya, he came to Sarnath, on the outskirts of Varanasi. There, he found his 5 disciples Asaji, Man, Kandana, Bidya, and Vappa, who had earlier abandoned him. He introduced his first teachings to them, thereby establishing the Dharma Chakra. This is the motive taken up by Ashoka and portrayed on top of his pillars. The 24 spokes represent the 12 causal links taught by the Buddha and Pamakasamupta in forward and then reverse order. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.